Ethereum value equivalent to $29 and $39.59 a coin. The present exchange cost range, $29 and $91.41.29 at $78.27. The earlier day close, $29 and $68.82. The change was $29.23, 98%. Backwards rate, ICE to ETH. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture for August 2024. Before all else cost at 5.22 coins. Excessive costs on 5.41, while lows on 4.71. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 510. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's ends on 504, change for August 3.4%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for October 2024. In the first place, cost at on 434 coins. Exorbitant costs on 4.66, while lows on 4.5. They found the middle value of cost on 4.35. The S to ETH gauge toward the month's ends on 40.33, change for October's on 2%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for December 2024. In the first place, cost at 87 coins. Exorbitant costs 87, while lows for 21. They found the middle value of costs at 60. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's ends at 43, change for December 11.4%. US to ETH expectation for January 2025. First and foremost, cost at something to 43 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.43, while lows at 2.95. They found the middle value of costs for 24. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends treats at 16, change for January 7.9%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for February 2025. First and foremost, cost at 16 coins. Exorbitant costs at 34, while lows on 2.91. They found the middle value of costs of 13. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends at 11, change for February 1.6%. To start with, cost at 311 coins. Exorbitant costs simply 25, while lows on 2.82. They found the middle value of costs either be 5. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends of 2, change for spring 2.9%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for April 2025. To start with, cost at 302 coins. Excessive costs are at 22, while lows on 2.80. They arrived at the midpoint of costs of 1. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's ends on 2.99, change for April 1%. US to ETH expectation for May 2025. At the outset, cost at 299 coins. Excessive costs are 312, while lows on 271. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 293. The US to ETH figure toward the month's ends on 290, change from May 3%. Dollar to Ethereum figure for June 2025. Initially cost at 290 coins. Excessive costs with you at 11, while lows on 271. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 291. The US to ETH figure toward the month's ends on 290, change for June's 0%. Before all else, cost at 290 coins. Excessive costs at 303, while lows on 264. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 285. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's ends on 282, change for July 8%. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture for August 2025. In the first place, cost at 282 coins. Exorbitant costs on 282, while lows on 232. They found the middle value of costs on 261. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's ends on 248, change for August 1%. US to ETH expectation for September 2025. Before all else, cost at 248 coins. Excessive cost 264, while lows on 229. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 247. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's ends on 245, change for September 2%. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 245 coins. Exorbitant costs on 245, while lows on 98. They found the middle value of costs on 225. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's end point 211, change for October 13.9%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for December 2025. In the first place, cost at 228 coins. Exorbitant costs on 292, while lows on 228. They found the middle value of costs on 255. The S to ETH gauge toward the month's ends on 272, change for December 19.3%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for February 2026. First and foremost cost at 234 coins. Exorbitant costs on 295, while lows on 234. They found the middle value of costs on 259. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends on 274. Change for February 17.1%. Dollar to Ethereum figure for April 2026. Initially cost at 296 coins. Excessive costs on 296, while lows on 239. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 272. The US to ETH figure toward the month's ends on 255. Change for April 13.9%. US to ETH expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at 255 coins. Exorbitant costs for 27, while lows on 255. They found the middle value of cost on 285. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's ends are with 4. Change for May 19.2%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for June 2026. In the first place, cost at 304 coins. Exorbitant costs of 389, while lows on 304. They found the middle value of cost for 40. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's end 362. Change for June 19.1%. US to ETH expectation for July 2026. First and foremost cost at 62 coins. Exorbitant cost top 4 at 63, while lows at 3 to 62. They found the middle value of costs of 405. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends of 431. Change for July 19.1%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for August 2026. To start with cost at 4 and 31 coins. Exorbitant costs of 4 to 31, while lows in 3 to 61. They found the middle value of cost 1483. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends at 87. Change for August 10.2%. US to ETH expectation for September 2026. At the outset cost at 387 coins. Excessive costs at 387, while lows at 330. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 364. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's ends at 53. Change for September 88%. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture for October 2026. At the outset cost at 353 coins. Excessive cost on 452, while lows are 353. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 395. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's ends of 421. Change for October 19%. US to ETH expectation for November 2026. First and foremost cost at 421 coins. Exorbitant costs on 5 and 38, while lows on 421. They found the middle value of costs of 470. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends of 5 and 1. Change for November 19%.